Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop. How to create custom shape toggle switch on off UI button in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and create a new canvas. Select the custom shape tool. Choose a rounded rectangle shape. Draw a horizontal switch base. Change its fill color to gray. Now select the list tool. Draw a small circle on the left side of the base. Change circle color to white. Duplicate the base shape. Change duplicate color to green. Move the white circle to the right side. Group on and off versions separately. Add small on and off text labels. Align everything properly. Zoom out and preview both states. Toggle switch looks realistic. UI element